Welcome back, Solid Rock Massive. Welcome back again to Solid Rock Entertainment with your host on the Central Coast, Sam G. Now, as I said before, this track is the third track on the album, Objection Overruled. And here is the Cool Ruler begging for forgiveness. You see, because the Cool Ruler was too cool and ended up being a fool. So now you want this lady to take him back to her school. Okay? So Objection Overruled. We're not going to do no long talking. We're going to keep on walking. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, with Objection Overruled, where Gregory is asking and pleading, let's start this thing over.
Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Please give me a chance so I can make my confession. Although I was wrong, won't you please overrule your objection and give me one chance so that I can make things up with you.
Take him back, lady, so I can give you a baby. I'm just being crazy.
I must apologize, 'cause I'm so sorry to treat you so cruel.
Take him back.
Although I was wrong,
You know he was wrong.
I was only playing a fool. So just one more chance,
One more.
so we can talk this thing over. One more chance, 'cause I don't wanna end as the loser.
I don't want to lose. So please, baby, me, you gotta choose.
Oh, 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 oh.
I'm the man for you, lady.
Oh, 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 oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. I must apologize,
Must apologize.
'cause I'm so sorry to treat you so cruel. Although I was wrong, I was only playing a fool. So please give me a chance so I can make my confession. Although I was wrong, won't you please overrule your objection and give me one chance so that I can make things up with you. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Over and over and over. One more chance, 'cause I don't wanna end as a loser. One more chance, so we can talk this thing over. One more chance, 'cause I don't wanna end as a loser. One more chance, over and over and over. Shame I was playing a fool. I hope your objection will be overruled. One more chance, so we can talk this thing over. One more chance, over and over and over. One more chance, over and over.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen,
One more chance.
1982. This was one of the biggest albums out, you know. Night Nurse. That was Objection Overruled. Lady, overrule your objection, although I was wrong. You have to take me back, lady. Yeah. Yeah, that was track number 3 with Objection Overruled. Seeing? Yeah, the cool ruler with his tune, Objection Overruled. Track number 4. It might sound familiar because someone of lately as re-released and remixed, and we'll talk about that in the next video. But the next one is Hot Stepper. See? So keep it locked to Solid Rock. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for the vibe. And we're going to keep the love rolling, okay? Hot Stepper. Like I said, not every single track on this album has a romantic theme, but nonetheless, it has some romance vibe on it, right? So we're going to get into Hot Stepper next, okay? I'm stepping it out of this sea here. All right.